Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to view your order history in Shopify. Checking your order history helps you track sales, manage customers, and stay on top of your store performance. On your Shopify dashboard, to view your orders, just click Orders. Since we do not have a plan, we cannot see our orders, the fulfillment details, or any other information. But here, we have an example to walk you through. To see all your orders, click on Orders. Here, you can see the details: total orders, ordered items over time, returns, and fulfilled orders over time. You can also see the full history of your orders. There are two views available. You can filter by unfulfilled, unpaid, open, or archived. This gives you all the details you need about your orders. And that is how you view your order history in Shopify. Keeping track of your orders makes it easier to monitor your business and provide better service to your customers.